Hey guys, welcome to the segment of Optimize with me. I'm Rick Wong, the founder of SellerMetrics. Here I'm going to show you how I would optimize this product right here, mattress cover, which has like a relatively high ACoS. Our target ACoS is like 40%, and our clicks before making a bid adjustment is 8. So this number is actually gathered based on conversion rate. So the conversion rate for my product is around like 15, 17%. So if you kind of work it out backwards, that means that you kind of need like around 8 clicks, 8-9 clicks before there's a conversion. So that's the logic behind the 8 clicks. So as with a lot of these optimization videos, there's really 3 things I would do. First things would be bid ops, negative keywords, then harvest converting search terms. All right, so I'm gonna basically do these 3 tasks with the target ACoS of 40% at least. So again, so my date range here is 7 days. So what I like to do is like 60 days minus 3. So if you look at the time now, so now minus 60 days, you got the May 21st, so minus 3 more days. So I like to do this because there is the Amazon sales attribution. So what I like to do is that I would like to filter out a date range of 60 minus 3 days as my date range. So I will go all the way back to so I would go back all the way back to the May 21st, and I'll filter up to the 17th. So 21st up to the 17th right here. Right. So that gives me like a reasonable date range for me to work with. Some people like to do 30 days. I like to do a little bit longer. So in the metrics, the top 4 or 5 metrics I look at is basically spend, ACoS, order, sales, cost per click, CTR, and also the number of clicks. So you can see like the metrics I kind of filter out here, the columns that I'm using. Right. So let's optimize the first campaign, which is sponsored product campaign. So for this particular product, I'm only gonna there's only 2 campaign types: sponsored product and sponsored brand video campaign. So I will look to optimize these 2 sets in this video right here. So first thing is the bid ops. Remember this 8 clicks threshold that I'm using. Okay, so let's click on the first campaign. So for this campaign, I already clicked into it. So with this product, there is multiple ad groups based on size. We will look to really start optimizing for specific keywords in these particular ad groups. So let's just go to like the first one. I already have it clicked. Okay, so you see all these keywords, the metrics. So we have 8 clicks threshold. So what we're going to do, a lot of times, how I do bid ops is based on the cost per click. So cost per click is basically like a amount of clicks that you pay. So you can see like the cost per click here is pretty high, $4.11. We basically want to really like adjust that, lower it to maybe closer to like 3 at first, and then later closer to 2. So with the cost per click is basically how many spend divided by clicks, right? And that should be your proxy to your bid ops. So let's just look at, let's just filter by situations where there are clicks that is greater or greater equals to 8. So, okay, not too many keywords in this situation that is 8 or greater, but you can see here, we want to adjust bids based on our cost per click. So let's just export this data set right here. All right, here we go. So you have, so let's just filter it by number of clicks, right? So this is our current cost per click, and then this is our current bid right here. No, not suggested bid, so current bid right here. This is our current bid. Right. So since our target is 40%, so what we're going to do is that in this particular spreadsheet, we will basically take this multiplied by your current ACoS, and then you can divide that by your target ACoS, which I put like 40%, as I mentioned 40% previously. So your adjustments, right? Basically your most optimal bid based on your target ACoS of 40% should be these bids. So what I'm going to do is that I would like to change them here. So this is sorted by clicks, so I know it's like in proper order. Right, so that's basically the bid ops. Right, so that would be like the first part of the optimization I'll do. I would also do them now with my other campaign as well. So my sponsored brands campaign right here in this scenario. Again, so the filtering. So as I calculated earlier, I'm gonna go up to May 21st and then all the way up to the 17th. That's the date range that I would use. Then from here, I would filter anything that is clicks greater than 8. Again, export the spreadsheet, and then we are going to basically more or less use the same formula that we did previously in our sponsored product campaign. So here, again, what we'll do is that, again, our target ACoS is 40. So we are going to our current bids. So it would be, what is it, our cost per click times our target ACoS, which is 40%, divided by our current applied ACoS. And then these should be the actual most optimal bid adjustments. So this makes sense, right? You're making cost per click is like $1.59. Your current ACoS is over 100. That means that you really have to really lower your ACoS, your bid to like around 59 cents to get to your target ACoS. So we will make these bid changes. 59 cents. So in this situation, there's like 10 clicks and no sales. I would like put them down very aggressively. So I would like say 60 cents, really lower my cost per click there. Or what I do, sometimes people do is like pause the keyword altogether. So that is like basically the bid ops that I would do. So the next part is that I want to like negate keywords. To negate keywords, what you're gonna do is run search term reports for your sponsored product and sponsored brand campaign. Look into the same time period, 17th to 21st of May to 17th of July. Run this report. Run another report for sponsored brand videos. Right, I'm optimizing sponsored brands videos and also sponsored products. So we're going to use the search term report to find these negative keywords. So again, 21st and also the 17th. Okay, there we go. So it's already complete. Let's download it. Okay, so once the reports are downloaded, you're gonna come through the report. All right, so the first report would be the sponsored products report right here. And I'm gonna filter things out. Let me download the reports again. Okay, so sponsored brand. So this is a sponsored product report. Okay, so here we are. So we look at our keywords. We're looking at situations where there is around 8 clicks, no sales. And that is a situation where we could confidently say that these are not key keywords to use. So you're gonna go to 7-day sales, 0. Yeah, you see like these two keywords right here does not seem to be keywords that converting even after 8 clicks. So these are the ones that I would add over here as negative targeting. Yeah, right here, negative exact. Add them, save. That is basically your negative keyword that you should be adding. And then on the other end of the spectrum, you also look for a situation that it converted. So you're not looking for anything that converted, first of all. You're looking for keywords that attribute to a pretty good ACoS and also conversion rate. So you're gonna number one, filter out anything that is greater than equals to 8. First of all, anything that has at least one order, right? And also I like to filter out by order descending, so this help me prioritize which keywords are actually good, right? And then I would look in situation where ACoS is like around less than 40%. That's 0.4, right? It's in decimal places, percentage. So these keywords right here seems to be plastic sheets for bed. Interesting. Okay, so again, you have to use your own personal judgment. So you see like mattress cover full. This might not be the keyword that I'm looking for queen ad group. Right, I would just filter for queen, anything that's queen related. Okay, so these are queen keywords. So I'm gonna like look to add those, but you know, the ACoS is high mainly because it is you know, the cost per click is high. So in this situation, I want to make sure when I add these keywords, the bid I add for these keywords are much lower than cost per click. So if that happens, your ACoS would be relatively lower. So let's go back to the ads. So this is an exact campaign, so I make sure to add the exact match type. Okay, I think these keywords are already added, so there's no need to. So I guess like no need to add further. But I think you kind of understand from this video how you know, harvesting for keyword works. So I will now do the same thing for my sponsored brand video campaign as well. Let me filter out the spreadsheet. So it would be the report that I just downloaded. So this is a spreadsheet right here. So again, let's go for the negative keyword first. So greater than equals to 8, but I'm looking at a situation where there is no sales. So in this case, it doesn't seem like to be any of that in the situation, so there's nothing to add. So let's go to situations where there is greater than 8 clicks and then attribute it to, they're all exact. So again, there's nothing to add again here. So I think the bid offs is enough for my sponsored brand campaign. Yeah, I know like this is a very condensed you know, situation in terms of optimization, but I think the key thing is just like make sure that you do this on a weekly basis and continue to incrementally optimize your campaigns week over week to see gradual improvement. So in this optimization test I did, we might not get to 40% based on what I just did just now, but if you like do this on an ongoing basis, you should see your ACoS decrease to a point to your target ACoS 40% or definitely under 60% as it is right now. So I think that's it for this week. So again, I'm founder of SellerMetrics. You know, we offer a self-service Amazon PPC tools that allows you to automate and really scale out your Amazon PPC ads. We also manage Amazon PPC full service as well. Feel free to reach out to me or schedule a call on the link below. Hope you enjoyed this video. You know, and also remember to subscribe to check out the next one. We hope to pump this out on a weekly basis, allow us to really pull the curtains as to like what you're doing and make your judgment on our service based on those, these content. Yeah, thanks for watching. Till the next video. Thank you.